David from Rapid here. Today what we're going to do is mount one of our hose hangers onto a softwood timber fence, and I'm going to show you how to do it. For this installation we don't need a whole heap of tools, but today we've got our impact driver with our 5/16 bit. We have our goggles for eye protection. We have our drill. We're not using it in this job, but we've got a 3mm drill bit if you're going to pop it into hardwood. We've got our tape measure for marking up. We've got our 12 gauge 25mm timber screws. And we've got our spirit level and pencil for marking up the job. So the first step is to work out where you want it. So position it on your fence, work out your final position, and then just mark the position where the bottom is going to sit. The next step is to mark up the position with the spirit level to make sure we get it nice and level. Place your spirit level on the mark, get it nice and level, and then mark up the position. Next step is we're going to place our hanger on the line that we've created, and I'm only going to mark the one hole at the top. Next step is we're going to fit off our 12 gauge timber screw. I'm not going to pre-drill this one because it's a softwood, but if you were drilling into a hardwood, you grab your 3mm drill and pre-drill your hole. But here we're going to just pop it straight in. I'm going to leave it there, just a little bit proud, so I can slide the hose hanger over the top. Next, I'm going to pop the hose hanger over the screw we've popped in. Just level it off to the line that we've marked. And then I'm going to fit it off a little bit tighter. Once we're comfortable, we've got our hose hanger level to the line that we've pre-marked. You can then just fit off both sides straight into your timber. So there we go, that's how simple it is. I've popped my hose on there, but the steps are pretty simple. Mark your position, pre-drill your holes if you're into hardwood, level it off and fix it onto your fence, and enjoy your hose.